Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about writing skill for 9th standard English. Information transfer. Video number 1. Let's see information transfer. There are two types of information transfer: verbal to non-verbal and second non-verbal to verbal. Let's see what is the information transfer. Information transfer is the rewriting of information given in one format into another format. You might also be given a paragraph and you will have to elicit the main points to frame a tree diagram or a graph or pie chart or some other kind of visual representation containing all the information. This is verbal to non-verbal information transfer. Let's see which are the important points while writing verbal to non-verbal information. In verbal to non-verbal, you will be given one or two paragraphs which you have to convert into required non-verbal form like a table, graph, tabular data, etc. Your answer should consist of a few words that include all the points given in the paragraph. Third point, read the paragraph carefully and pick out the points that you have to use in the diagram, table, web. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. Next point, do not add any point of your own to the information given. Let's see the example of non-verbal information. Now you can see here pie chart, wave diagram and tree diagram. These are the example of non-verbal information. Let's see the example of verbal to non-verbal information. Read the information below and prepare suitable diagrams showing this information. Now this information given in the form of paragraph, that means it is the verbal information. Mr. Phule maintains the following diet for his daily afternoon meal. He has 100 grams of vegetables, 100 grams of lentils, 150 grams of rice and another 150 grams of chapatis and salad. Mr. Dalvi purchases his food from a Poli Bhaji Kendra. He pays 10 rupees for the vegetables, 10 rupees for the lentils and 10 rupees for the rice. He has 4 chapatis that cost him 10 rupees and salad that cost him the same amount. Now this information is given in the form of paragraph. That means it is the verbal information. Now we will see non-verbal information. Mr. Dalvi's lunch and its expense. That verbal information which is converted in the form of non-verbal. So they have used here pie chart for showing the information. Let's see first pie chart, items for lunch. Vegetable 100 grams, lentils 100 gram, chapati salad 150 gram and rice 150 grams. Second, expense for lunch. Vegetable for 10 rupees, lentil for 10 rupees, chapatis 10 rupees, salad 10 rupees and rice 10 rupees. So they have shown information in the form of pie chart. So it is called non-formal information. I hope all you understood this information transfer, verbal to non-verbal. Thank you.